Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm, and we're trying out some of the Knott's Berry Farm, or the Knott's Scary Farm items, food items. This is the creepy peanut butter and chocolate churro. The churro has looks like chocolate and caramel. Yeah, caramel drizzle, and it's also filled with a peanut butter cream sauce. Oh, it does taste like peanut butter. Okay, let me try this in. You know what? I might have to just pick it up and get messy here. The churro is a little stale. There's not many people here today, so I think they're making churros and then keeping them in a heating area. So it's like you're chewing into it. It's a little hard in some places. I like the filling though. The filling does taste like peanut butter. It's less hard. The very end especially was really hard. It's a little less hard as I'm getting down. But it's still a little hard. Hard to chew. Knott's has a problem with that, with their churros. Even though they actually hand make their churros, you can see them over there at the churro factory. They put the dough in a machine and then crank it out, and it presses out the churro, and then they fry them. I mean, once they get, if they're sitting there for a while, if they make a bunch and then put them in the heating thing, they do get kind of stale. Disney uses frozen churros from Tio Pepe, and as soon as you order them, they put it in that little heating thing that heats them up, and so it may take a little bit, but they pretty much make as many as they need. So the churros are hot, and then they put whatever they're supposed to put on it, whatever the flavor of the month is, and so their churros are usually better because they are made right there. You just may have to wait for them a little bit. So Knott's has to consider waiting, and only making as many churros as people ordered, or maybe getting the Tio Pepe's instead. Because it's hit and miss. Whether you get a good one, if you got a fresh batch, you might get a good one. But this one is it's stale. So I like the toppings. The churro itself is stale. So I'd say, as is, I think this might get like a C- or a D, because the churro itself, which is the thing you're eating, is not that good. If the churro was better, it might get like maybe a B, maybe B+, because I do like all the stuff on top of it, the peanut butter and the chocolate sauce. Actually tastes really good together. But the churro itself is, if that's not good, then the whole thing's not good. So my first D. So anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell, and then click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.